In a quiet corner of the world, tucked between rain and memory, there stands a small wooden library, a place where stories sleep and sometimes old ones wake again. Ethan, 18, sits alone, a book in hand, the rain his only company. Pages turn, but something deeper stirs, a memory. Then the door opens. Lena steps in, 17, quiet, familiar. Raindrops cling to her hair, but her eyes are steady, searching. Their eyes meet, not with surprise, but with recognition, the kind that doesn't need words. She walks slowly toward him, each step soft as the rain outside, each second holding something unspoken. They sit, not across distance, but across time. A book between them, a silence full of weight and hope. Ethan looks down, unsure. She smiles, gentle, knowing. Then